Well, good Saturday morning-ish, afternoon-ish. I don't know. It's somewhere around lunchtime. I have no idea. I've been out here this morning, well, other than chasing some cows around, and I gotta go fix some fence, but it rained like heck this morning, so I tried to, we're trying to wait for the ground to dry up a little bit. So, a little bit of an update about what's been going on, because I've been a lot of short videos, but not a lot of long videos. So, um, and the Premiere thing isn't just, I can't get videos that long to upload anymore, so we'll do them this way. This 49 Alice Chalmers, I'm waiting on a seal, goes right in that differential. So that one filled that inside of the housing with grease, and that's not going to work so well for having functional brakes. And the excavator's up here because we've been using that to sling, basically use it as a giant cherry picker, especially when you're outside on this stuff. You don't want to be trying to use one in the dirt anyway. Need to get a battery for that car. The alternator overcharged the battery, cook that thing out. This is going to go back there. That's going to get taken out of here today one way or another. You can see that I'm cleaning in the shop, and I'll explain that in a minute. But F-150 up there has to come in the shop and get an inspection. It's got grinding noise. The running boards are in bad shape. The Subaru needs head gaskets, or it has an overheating concern, which I'm pretty sure it had head gasket problem 6 weeks ago. But and then there's a Ford Edge sitting up there that needs a PTU and inspection. I got that snowmobile sitting there that parts are all finally here for, so that's good. I keep having to order little bits and pieces for it, but first and foremost, I need to get a little bit of a reset. Yesterday, I went and picked up a tire machine for the shop, so we can provide that service to our customers, but we need to do some reorganizing and some cleaning, and you guys have noticed that this back corner has kind of been a big cluster. Well, I need to change that, and I need to have more room in here, especially for some of the smaller stuff that needs to get worked on, like that and the snowmobile, and also be able to work on a vehicle here. So we're going through, we're sorting things out. We have things that got to get thrown away and things that got to get moved out of here. My plan is for right now, because the woodshed is vacant anyway, we're going to go put all that stuff up there, including those tires, because you can see my tire rack is collapsing. But that's why that angle iron is right there. I want to get those tires out of here anyway and be able to get more oil filter storage, oil filters, air filters, all that stuff. Put a shelf up there and be able to store all that stuff, because you can see my personal stock of filters takes all that up. And now that we have bulk oil, we're going to try to stock a few more oil filters. Probably wiper blades, general maintenance things, maybe a few air filters. Not a lot of air filters because there's so many you can stock that it's crazy, but we're going to stock the basics for most things. And on a weekend, if somebody needs an oil change, can let me know. And usually I can get a filter on Saturdays anyway, but Sundays, sometimes it's a little bit of a pinch. I could get one, but I'd have to double check and see if I have one or not, but I want to keep most of the common ones, and it's pretty easy to do that. So, yeah, just generally going through everything, cleaning everything out. We got all this small stuff that I poured out on the table, and that's got to get put away. There's boxes of stuff that got to get shuffled back up there. The tire machine, so I went and ran the cord up through the bench, so that way it's not draped over the bench. I don't know. I just like the cleaner look. I bought this DCD 703 from the Mac guy a while ago. It's a 12 volt brushless compact, and you can it's indexable. You can move the head and do whatever else. It's got the 90-degree attachment. It's got an offset attachment and all that other stuff, but she's kind of handy. So I could get underneath here with the regular drill. With that on the end of it, you wouldn't have enough room. So yeah, just kind of general what's going on in here. We're going to clean up and put things away, get things a little bit more reorganized. And like I said, probably going to pull that lumber down up there and bang out a few shelves. So we have more of a shelf system like this. That goes across there and down there. And that'll give us a lot more ability to get some of this stuff up off the floor and out of the way. And yeah, that's what's happening today. I gotta go fix some fence and kind of discuss the plans when we're up there. But we're gonna try to keep these to like 5, 7, 8-minute videos. I don't know. And see if we can be more consistent on the public side. If you want memberships, you're going to be a couple of days in advance on things, behind the scenes stuff. Jump over, grab a membership. I would appreciate it. It certainly does help us out on the channel. You guys are part of the reason that I have the ability to do this. And your contributions help out a lot. So I got to get back to work. I got to get this thing cleaned out. We got a lot of work to get in and out of here in the next few days. A lot of customers wanting their vehicles back, so I got to get after it. It's going to be a long weekend, a lot of long days. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for your support on the channel. Thanks for watching. For the members, I appreciate you guys. We're going to try to do members only behind the scenes short videos every day for you, and we'll try to keep banging these ones out. So once again, we will catch you guys on the next one.